Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Just doing a quick video tonight. It's going to be kind of quick. We're going to do the giveaway winner for the GHAD 68. Talk about some other maybe upcoming giveaways coming up. And I'm going to show you that. And little update, bench update, and shop card shout out. So we'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. Thank you. And so we're going to be doing the comment picker for the GHAD 68, which is this one. Awesome airbrush. Very cool. So we'll do the giveaway, or the comment picker for that. Shop card shout out for Tim over at Box.Garage. Thank you, Tim, for the kind words on the back. And I just saw his channel, subscribed about a week ago, I think. Been checking that out here and there, and awesome stuff. Love the Camaro, love the truck. Great guy, nice builds, and very cool. So go give Tim a check out at Box.Garage. I'll have his link below. Let's see, next is, most everybody knows, Ed over at One Team Garage. Awesome shop card. Thanks for the other shop card and the kind words on the back. Of course, Ed also sent me a, kind of looks like a little book. That's what I thought it was when I opened it. I thought it was like a little book of it. But yeah, got the Master Builder sitting over here. Decal, very cool. Just a round one. Gonna get that put up somewhere. So he made me a custom set of floor mats for my Cobra. We're doing a buddy build on the 427 Cobra, the Revell kit, and custom made these for me for mine. That's awesome, Ed. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. Gonna put them in there too. Then gave me, let's see, what is this? Oh, I knew what it was. A Cobra. I think it's a magnet. Yeah, that is awesome. That's going to go right in the display case with the Cobra when it is done. Very cool. Thank you, Ed. Awesome. And got some parts here. The tires and rims going in it. I still got to paint the chrome that I used was kind of crap. I can't remember what I used on that, but I'm going to redo the chrome rings. And this is going to be a Vallejo, God, I forgot what color it is, but I'll have that. I'll show that when I do them. Got the chassis and primer, engines and primer, bodies and primer still. But I'm going to be getting that painted here soon. So, all right, let's take a break. I'm going to show you the giveaways coming up, and we'll do the comment picker, and we'll probably end there. So be right back, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for waiting, I guess, for the commercial. So, again, don't forget to go check out Tim at Box.Garage and Ed at One Team Garage. Subscribe if you haven't, and tell them that Manny sent you. We're going to do the giveaway for the GHAD 68 in a minute, the comment picker. So, I had some other airbrushes and that sent in to me for some upcoming giveaways here and there. You're going to have to watch the videos, I guess. First one, we got another GHAD 39 airbrush by Gaahleri, of course. Awesome air. This is my workhorse airbrush, and actually I'm going to show you. I just bought some extra parts to upgrade it a little bit. So let me grab it real quick. Okay, so this is my workhorse. I use this almost every day. Upgraded the trigger to the square one there. Awesome feel on that. And you can get those on their website. And the Gaahleri link below, you can click on that and get whatever you need. Airbrushes, compressor, parts, you know, you name it. Pretty much almost everything there. So, airbrush wise. The new fan cap, which is awesome. So I did a little upgrade to the GAHD 39. Awesome airbrush. Awesome. Okay, so next we have a GAHC 98D airbrush. And this is out of their A series. This one's really nice. This one's got the polished cup, the 0.38 and the 0.5 millimeter needles. I believe this one had 2 cups. I can't remember now. Maybe just the one. I can't remember. I'd have to open mine up. But awesome airbrush too. So these are going to be given away. And we also have another GAHD 68 airbrush. And of course, I've talked about these, and they're awesome. And I got a big thing coming up for Gaahleri airbrushes I've been working on for a little bit, so hopefully I can get that one out sometime soon here. And a little added extra bonus for another giveaway coming up is the airbrush holder, which is right here. These are awesome. So you can you can have it sitting there, have it sitting up high, or you can take this middle piece out, have it sitting a little bit lower, but they're awesome. So that's going to be the other giveaway. So we're going to do the GAHD 68, the GAHC 98D, and the GAHD 39, and we'll do the airbrush holders. They're going to be all separate, unless I decide I'm going to do the airbrush holder with one of these. I'm not sure yet, but stick around to find out on those. Okay, the Demon. Let's see, we're getting kind of close to time here, so the Demon is getting. I haven't rubbed it out or anything yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I gotta get the engine in there and somewhat wired up, whatever I can. I gotta do a lot of research because I have no idea how those are done. Got the Lynx rear end in there, 3D printed. Not sure. I got the side pipes here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or not. I don't know. I'm kind of debating on that still. Working on the Mercury truck. Well, kinda. I'm going to get the chassis stuff glued together. And the body parts sanded, getting that ready for primer. I think that's really all I got for that right now. But, well, anyway, let's head over to the desk and we'll do the comment picker and see who the giveaway is for the GAHD 68 airbrush by Gaahleri. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, we are back. Do this comment picker real quick and we'll be done. So I'm watching Box Dot Garage, Tim's channel. Had to take a break because I forgot I wanted to do a quick video today. So let's grab the address for that video. Comment picker. And 10 comments. 53. Alright, so let's see who wins the GAHD 68 airbrush by Gaahleri and start. Terry Sanders 8092. Congrats, man. And he's got GHAD 68 in the comments, which is what I asked everybody to do. So awesome. So thanks everybody for commenting and watching the video, and the support, of course, to all my subscribers, viewers. It's awesome. So thank you. And Terry, send me an email with your address and I'll get this out to you. So thanks everybody for watching, and be back soon. See ya.